This is not the first time that midweek blues have taken over the cryptocurrency market, as the larger undertone in this market remains bearish. Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about cryptocurrencies, the world of blockchain, and Web 3.0. As Wednesday came along, so did a price dip for some of the top cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, which had been holding above the 19,000 US dollar mark, dropped from that crucial support level, and in tandem, the global cryptocurrency market saw a 6% decrease over the last day. In our last daily wrap, we spoke about the possibilities of Bitcoin swinging on either side. However, with bearish pressure in the market still dominating, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of the top altcoins saw a major pullback in terms of their price. This happened despite the rather anticipated merge. In fact, Ethereum, which had rallied by close to 6% over the last 2 days, was down by a massive 10% on its daily chart. Ethereum was battling the 1500 US dollar mark, which has acted as a crucial support and resistance mark in the coin's trajectory. Despite the bearish blues, though, 47% of Bitcoin holders remained in profit despite the 60% price drop in 2022. Over the last few months of this year, 2022, Bitcoin's price has reduced, or it has depreciated by close to 60%, which has been a major concern for long-term as well as short-term holders. However, fresh data highlighted that close to 47% were in the money, which meant that close to 47% hodlers or Bitcoin hodlers were making money or profiting from Bitcoin's current price, while the statistics still remained more on the bearish side, as 52% of the Bitcoin holders were out of money, which meant that they were facing losses. There was a considerable chunk of hodlers in the market that were still profitable, which has acted well in Bitcoin's favor. Today we shall be taking a look at Bitcoin's price chart, but before we do so, we'll take a quick look at the news flash for today. Russia has been trying to explore stable coins for settlements with friendly nations, which can be a bullish activity happening in that particular geography. That said, Ethereum's price has dropped massively after the Bellatrix upgrade. So could this play in a very disastrous way for the top altcoin, or will it in fact lead to happier endings for Ethereum and Ethereum holders? If you want to know more about it, do head over to Voice of Crypto and read our opinion articles about the same. Now, without further ado, let's take a very quick look at Bitcoin's price chart and how it has been performing over the last few days. We saw that Bitcoin's price has considerably dropped in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin had already been battling this 20,000 psychological barrier, which has played an important support resistance mark for Bitcoin for the most part of this year, after its massive drop in August especially. However, Bitcoin's price has faltered once again, and it has reached lower levels than it has in most part of this year. We can see that Bitcoin's price is back to this lower 18,500 range, and this is a level that the coin hardly sees. And in the 2021 bull cycle, Bitcoin had recovered above this price mark, as we can see on this long-term chart. For Bitcoin, they say in the market that when in doubt, zoom out. But here, even on zooming out, we see that there's quite a bit of bearish momentum in the market, and this looks like some long-term bearish momentum. We see that there is a parabolic decrease. Bitcoin tried to form quite a few tops throughout June as well as in July, and for a brief time in August as well. Bitcoin tried to make local price tops. However, price suffered tremendously around 18th and 19th August, and ever since then, if we zoom in, trade volumes have been really high, but this has been mostly because of the bearish pressure and because of balance on exchanges currently increasing, which also presents skepticism in the market by the market participants. At this point, we see Bitcoin is testing one of its most crucial support levels, which lies at the 18,300 US dollar mark. While bulls will try to carefully protect this level, what can be said about Bitcoin's price with the massive volatility that is persistent in the market? And as we say, do your own research before stepping into the cryptocurrency market. With all the bearishness in the market, there was still certain coins that managed to make decent rallies or carve their own niche in the cryptocurrency space. And one such coin was Helium's HNT token, which has rallied by close to 13% in the last 24 hours. This is one of the few tokens that has been rallying despite the larger market's bearish blues. That said, Eunice said Leo's Leo token had also gained minor 3 or 4% price in the last 24 hours. Apart from that, there were no major gains for any of the top tokens. However, if we look at the top losers in the market on a prime ripe Wednesday, then we see that Lido DAO's LDO token, Ethereum Classics, ETC, Bitcoin Gold, Curve DAO, Celsius, Polygon, Chiliz. These are all tokens that had rallied pretty well over the last few weeks. These tokens have noted quite a major pullback in their price trajectories and are currently down in double digits if we take a look at their price trajectory on the 24-hour price chart. Nonetheless, with the upside that Ethereum Classic saw over the last few weeks, it is still up by a minor 3% on the weekly charts, which can play out in the favor of this coin, especially with the ETH merge coming. For now, though, despite the Ethereum merge countdown being on, there is quite a bit of skepticism in the market, with Bitcoin pulling back in terms of price and Ethereum copying that sort of price movement. This, my friends, is all in today's daily news wrap. If you like our content, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such updates from the cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web 3.0 space.